Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGIS Solution tutorial channel. In this video, I want to take you through the Geology Shapefile of Plateau State, Nigeria. The Geology Shapefile of Plateau State, Nigeria is now available, and in this video, I want to take you through. And other states are also available. If you need any state geology shapefile, you can check the description box. You'll see the link to get it. This is Plateau State in Nigeria, the geology shapefile. If I right click and open the attributes table, here you can see the attributes of this shapefile. You can see the geology ranging from granite, migmatite, granite gneiss, fine grained bautite granites, and so on. And also the code for each of the rock type is also here, and the formations they belongs to is also provided. So this will be useful for your academic research or for your projects. So now let's assume we want to categorize this map using the geology. So what to do, just right click and click on properties. So let's categorize it. Click on categories. Then the field we are going to use, we will use the geology. Then click on add all value and click on OK. So you can see all the rock type in this very area, that is Plateau State. You can see from alluvium, basalt up to old basalt. So all the informations you need for this shapefile are included. So now let's assume you have this shapefile and you want to produce the geology map of your study area. For example, let's say Bakinladi is my study area. So if I want to produce geological map for this study area, so what I will do is to come to geoprocessing, then click on clip. So what we want to do is to cut out our study area. So to do that, the input feature will be the Plateau State Geology Shapefile. Then the clip feature will be our study area. In this case, Bakinladi. So our output, let's just give it any name. Geology, for instance. And click on save. Click on OK. Yes, it has been clipped. So I can uncheck this and then zoom this study area to layer. So this is the geology of my study area. Now what I can do is to categorize it. To do that, right click and click on properties. Come to categories, and then we are going to categorize using the geology. Then click on add all value. So you can change your symbology here, that is assign color to each of the rock type. So you can also change the color from here. So to do that, just click on it, change the color and all other things you want to do. But let's just leave it as it is, and then take it to layout and add all your map elements. To do that, I'll click on layout, and here in the layout I can choose a template. Click here. I want to choose portrait and click on finish. Yes, here is it. So what I can do is to adjust my map and add all other map elements. Let me do that. Add all your map elements and export it. To export it, click on file and click on export map. Navigate to your working folder. Let's just name it Bakinladi and then click on save. It has been exported. If I go to that folder, you can see the map. If I double click to open it, and here is the map. You can see the geological map of Bakinladi. So as simple as this, you produce the geological map of your study area. So if you need this shapefile, check the description box, and even for other states. Then if you want it direct, you can also send email or WhatsApp message. Thank you for watching.